Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video you will learn how to power clip. In case you are new to it, you will learn how to darken your image. You will learn how to place your image on text. Subscribe to this channel so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload any video. You get the notification that you got new video from Tayo Studio channel. So all these things is just for you not to miss any of our video. So once you reach 50 videos here on YouTube, we will divert to another skill. So don't expect me to be teaching cybersecurity or this kind of trending skill you guys are learning. I know most of you guys, you are expecting me to be teaching all this, but because for you to learn cybersecurity, it's not for someone that's looking for something to learn. It's for people that have money, and if you want to learn this, you have to learn it from the reliable tutor, you understand, or company or website, you understand. Don't just be learning cybersecurity for 5,000 naira. Don't learn cybersecurity for 5,000 naira. That one is just, you are just somehow looking for something to chop, or maybe you are hungry for money. You cannot achieve anything from that, or you are not trying to build a career, because all these things is just a career. So it's a career. Don't just be somehow you are looking for money, running etasketa for money. You cannot learn anything. Build a career. I think this morning I watched a video from Mr. Alfred, his Instagram page, like that. He's talking about how people are jumping from one tech skill to another. They are doing tech pornography. They are fucking this, fucking that. You understand? They are fucking with this skill, fucking with this skill, just for them, because they are looking for money. That's how this is not the way you can get money in tech. You understand? This is not the way. You have to have a career. So don't just be running because your friend is making money here in Figma. You're using Figma to design maybe UI UX. You also want to leave your visual design. Maybe you are using Corel, or you are using Adobe Photoshop or Canva to design. You want to leave and jump to UI UX. You understand? Although I think it's somehow closer to each other. UI UX and all these things, they are somehow, because they are also graphics. But what does it say? But nevertheless, you have to build a career. Maybe you start somewhere, then you're building it so that people will be knowing that okay, Ayo is now designing UI. It's not a UI UX designer. So start somewhere. You understand? Don't just be jumping. That's a pornography. And we are watching pornography. You have a dull brain. That's why you are not getting clients, because your brain is dull. You don't have any focus. So all these things in this video, I don't have to be explaining everything. Everything is here in the video. And if you are not new to this my channel, you will know what I'm doing here. You understand? So if you are new, kindly go to our previous lesson. You will see them there, all this video, how you can use power clip, how you can change color, how you can give it, how you can remove the outline, all these things. We have already done something, so a lot of video on those power clip, something like that. You understand? So that's how you achieve all these things. this is a preamble. We're just doing preamble here. So, and for you guys to learn, just a beginner friendly. All what we are doing is a beginner friendly design. So make sure you use the opportunity to practice so that you can, if you maybe can start designing complex design. And if you have any question, you can just come to me. I will make sure I help you. I know you might have been, I've been seeing all these things, all this kind of design, maybe on the internet or on Pinterest. Just make sure you. So this is how you just achieve it. Just package everything, group it and package everything here. You can see now. Then you adjust. Then you write Tayo Studio. You write Tayo Studio there as your name. So then you can now use your text tool to write your name, Tayo Studios. Then you are done with the design like that. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and like this video so that YouTube will recommend this video to beginner. You understand? So they can also learn from this video. So just phase one, take a skill and learn it and build a career on it. Just don't be rushing for money. Money. All these people you are seeing that are making money on, they just start today and start making money in, let's say, in 2 weeks, in 1 month, like that. You have to build a career on it. You understand? Some people that just those people that are selling course, you see them selling course for 5,000 and 10,000 and 2,000 naira. You see that these people, they are just looking for something to eat. They're just looking for, and they will not be promising people that they will start making money from it instantly, as if tech is a oil and, even in oil and gas sef, you cannot make money instantly like that. It's a process. Then they have turned tech to come and make money. So thanks for watching, guys.